In the beginning, there was curiosity, a spark that ignited the flame of innovation. The story of artificial intelligence, or AI, is a testament to that flame. It's a tale woven together by bright minds, audacious dreams, and relentless pursuit of the unknown. The genesis of AI traces back to the era of massive, room-filling computing machines. These mechanical giants, with their whirring gears and blinking lights, were the first to stir the pot of possibility. Yet it was the birth of the digital computer in the mid-20th century that truly set the stage for AI's emergence. Enter the pioneering researchers and engineers, the visionaries who dared to ask, what if a machine could think? They experimented with early AI models and algorithms, probing the boundaries of machine learning. The development of neural networks was a landmark moment in this journey. These systems, modeled after human brains, marked a significant leap in AI's potential. Fast forward to the present day, AI has permeated every facet of our lives. From predicting stock market trends to diagnosing diseases with pinpoint accuracy, AI is revolutionizing industries across the board. It's not just about improving efficiency or accuracy, it's about enhancing the quality of life. However, with great power comes great responsibility. The rise of AI has also ushered in a wave of ethical dilemmas. Concerns about algorithmic bias, privacy, and the future of work in an AI-driven world are increasingly pressing. The decisions we make today will shape the technological landscape of tomorrow. Yet even amidst these challenges, the horizon of AI seems boundless. Imagine a future where AI-powered machines explore distant galaxies, or where AI algorithms help combat climate change. A world where AI isn't just a tool, but a partner in our quest for knowledge and progress. As we stand on the cusp of this AI odyssey, it's essential to remember that AI is a creation of humans, for humans. A symbiotic relationship where AI augments human capabilities and humans guide AI's development with ethical oversight. The journey of understanding AI is not just about tracing its past or charting its future. It's about recognizing the transformative power of human curiosity and ingenuity and the technological marvels they can birth. This is the AI Odyssey, a journey we all are a part of, a journey that is just beginning.